First, you put your drone down because this is a drink for the pilot's lounge after you're done flying. Step 1. Put your radio down because there's no drinking and flying. Step 2. Remove the sticks because I know you drunk dial your ex. Then get rid of radio. Next, make a paper airplane coaster and a nice glass on top. First, a little vodka because it's 2020. A little peach schnapps because sometimes things are fuzzy, whether or not you charge your batteries before going flying. A little green for the money you spent on your drone. Splash of red for any blood you might have spilled from the props. And high quality orange juice because every drone pilot loves sunrises and sunsets. Now at this point you're done, but if you crashed, then go ahead and add some 151 and light it on fire. Next, stir with a propeller and add as garnish 2 if you're extra cool. Bonus points for a quad garnish side. And that is a drone pilot.